This split-level house is a successful example of combining aesthetics and practicality. Despite its limited space, it features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a powder room, and a garage, making it suitable for a small family. The unique irregular exterior shape and split-level interior structure give this dwelling a charming and fun character. All the design details complement the million-dollar seaside view and beautiful sunshine. The main atmosphere we aimed for when designing this house was relaxed, cozy, and close to nature, while also maintaining an elegant and sleek feel to some extent, which is a characteristic of Scandinavian style. We primarily used white color, wood, and natural materials to achieve a touch of Scandinavian style, paired with sleek modern-style furniture to achieve a Scandi in modern fusion aesthetic. The living room may not be large, but the 4-meter-high ceiling makes it feel more spacious. Low-height furniture in the living room creates a tranquil and relaxing space. Due to the L-shaped open space on the first floor, the kitchen is positioned at the joint location, and it's the only space where we opted for dark-colored furniture to enhance the visual impact. We left the most beautiful view for the dining area and hoped that the beautiful sunshine would light up the other areas. Our strategy was to keep it open, which also extended to choosing furniture. This may result in a cluttered visual, but as long as you limit the use of colors and keep the details simple, it can result in rich levels and a tasteful look. Moving up to the upper level, this rest spot is not only for enjoying the beautiful view, but also for families to relax and share leisure time. The master bedroom is split into 2 parts, with the front side serving as the sleeping area, and the back side as the closet and master bathroom. Generally, the second floor features a more modern style, primarily using white and gray colors, and simple design lines to achieve an elegant and sleek look, combined with wood to create a gentle and cozy atmosphere.